Restoring faith in humanity, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, restore one's faith. It's a powerful expression that resonates with many, and we're here to unpack its meaning, usage, and the profound impact it can have on our perspective towards life and society. Let's get started and discover why this phrase is so impactful. At its core, restore one's faith refers to the experience of regaining lost confidence or belief in something that was previously doubted or disbelieved. This phrase is often used in the context of humanity or goodness, as in, restore one's faith in humanity. It signifies a moment or action that rekindles hope, belief, or confidence in the inherent goodness of people, especially after experiences or events that might have led to cynicism or disillusionment. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, not just limited to humanity. For instance, it can apply to personal beliefs, the reliability of something, or the potential for positive outcomes in challenging situations. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. After witnessing a stranger's act of kindness, seeing that stranger helped the lost child restored my faith in humanity. When a failed project finally succeeds due to unexpected teamwork, this team's dedication truly restored my faith in collaboration. In the context of overcoming personal challenges, completing this marathon restored my faith in my own strength and perseverance. It's a phrase that echoes positivity and hope, making it a powerful tool in storytelling and everyday conversation. Using restore one's faith does more than just communicate a change in belief. It conveys a deep emotional transformation. It's about moving from a state of doubt or cynicism to one of optimism and belief in possibilities. This phrase can inspire others, foster a sense of community and shared values, and encourage a more compassionate and empathetic outlook towards others and life's challenges. We hope this exploration of restore one's faith has not only enlightened you but also inspired you to look for and appreciate those moments that reaffirm the good in the world. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with others and sharing our human experiences. Thank you for joining us today, and may you find many reasons to have your faith restored in whatever you hold dear. See you in our next video.